Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huawei Band 11, and on this video we are going to explore the sleep monitoring function of this wearable. So we will check the data and see if what are the options or the features included in the sleep monitoring function of the Huawei Band 11. As you requested, we used the Huawei Band 11 and monitored our sleep. So we will show you the data and other options available for the Band 11. So if you are interested to see the results, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Huawei Band 11 sleep monitoring. Okay, so last night we monitored our sleep with the sleep monitoring function, and we have here the data. So we have 8 hours and 40 minutes of sleep. That is 89% sleep score. So here are the data. We have a deep sleep 2 hours and 49 minutes. I guess that is very good. We have a light sleep of 3 hours and 54 minutes. We have the awake time here. Again, at least 1 minute. We have a REM sleep or rapid eye movement. Okay, let's have a closer look. 1 hour and 57 minutes. Okay, so here are the data. Let's see, we have the graph here. What else? We have breathing awareness, but I did not record this one. We have the heart rate, 61 beats per minute. Then what else? Okay, the blood oxygen is not enabled. Okay. Then we have no record here. In the support app, let's have more details about our sleep. So we have the health monitoring here. Okay, Huawei True Sleep enabled. Then let's check. Go back. We have here the health. Then the sleep. So we have here the graph. Okay, color coded, as you can see here. We have the awake time, bedtime. We also have here the time, sleep sound, record sleep. Then sleep duration, we also have it here. Okay, normal. Everything is normal here for our sleep data. I guess that is very good. Okay, we forgot to enable our automatic blood oxygen monitoring, as well as this one. Anyway, this one will wear your device for 7 nights. Okay, you need to wear the wearable for 7 nights to have the data for average heart rate, as well as this one for average respiratory rate. So we have here a recommendation and analysis. Your sleep quality last night was good. You slept for 8 hours and 40 minutes, which is normal. Good quality sleep help boost immune system. Okay, so we do have a very good. And we have here the text breathing interruption during sleep. Okay, so this one we did not activate this one. tonight we'll activate this and check. And we have here the insights for our sleep. Let's see if we do have some additional data. Okay, 89 points. So around, I guess this one, 22:18. Then we woke up at 6:59. Okay, and I guess that's it. So here are the data for our sleep monitoring. We'll have a second one, we'll check, and we'll try the data for the sleep breathing awareness. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the results here, especially for the available data, drop a comment below. Okay, so far so good with our, seems like it's accurate for our Huawei Band 11. Remember, it is using the true sleep option or true sleep feature of Huawei Band 11. I'm going to put the data here for the Huawei True Sleep. Okay, what is it all about? Again, if you have any questions regarding the results, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. And we have here a follow-up for the sleep breathing feature. So we recorded again, and we have here the results. As you can see here, no abnormalities. So we have some data, just see one night data here for our sleep breathing feature. And we have here the support app, we have the details here. Okay, we also have here a 7-day data. It will record the average, and it will also show here the results. Okay, and so far it's a good thing that we don't have any issues with our breathing during sleep. I guess this is a very good feature added to the sleep monitoring function of our Huawei Band 11.